Hello, I'm Alexander Efremov, the member of the Knowledge Management and Methodologies Working Group of the INCOSE and of the Terminology Working Group of the German chapter of INCOSE, the GFSE. And that is the INCOSE Handbook version 4. This is a mighty collection of many years of experience of many systems engineers from various industrial sectors around the world. An important part of this is the systems engineering process model. The model clearly states what kind of work there is in systems engineering and what inputs and outputs they are and how are they interconnected, which I can easily demonstrate by using it. So for instance, we have page number 71, process design definition, and its output design definition, strategy, system design description, which goes to process of the integration on the page 80. Wait a sec, I have to write it down. So yeah, it works like you take it on the page 80 and then it goes to yes, we have exactly the same problem with both project documentation and organizational development documents. If they are in paper form, it is difficult to get the necessary information. And it is almost impossible to proceed in model-based way. We don't have any models. There are only documents. That is the problem that we eliminate with our product. How nice it would be if the process model was presented not as a document, but as a list of digital objects and their relationships. The digital model that anyone with internet access could open. We produced just such a product in the working group. And as far as we now have a digital systems engineering process model, it can not only be used as an interactive manual, but also as a template for model-based organizational development, or in other words, model-based systems engineering of enterprises. And I will demonstrate both application scenarios in the webinar. Come over. We will both demonstrate the interactive process model and show how an organization can be further developed using it.